Click on the transaction option at the left side of the screen, which will open up a list of the transactions like payments on your own Stripe account, and you may locate which payment or order from your customer that you want to refund. And after that, click on the three dots at that specific transaction. Then you want to choose on the refund payment option. And over here, you may decide how much the refund you want to give back to your customer, while also selecting the reason behind the refund. And after you are sure with everything, click on the refund button over here. Keep in mind that Stripe will keep the original transaction fee, so you will be slightly out of pocket. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.